Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss a very advanced and most useful topic, Singleton. So what is Singleton? So Singleton is a way to provide one and only one object of any class. So you can only create a object of the class. So you cannot create two or more than two. Let's assume there is a class, my class, and here object, and let's say just I'm not doing anything, just I'm using pass here, and I will create the object obj1 equals my class, and same way I will create the another object obj2 equals my class, and just I will print the ID of both objects, so obj1 and print ID of obj2. So if I run this program, you can see the output. So there are two different ID of two different objects. So you can create any number of objects this class, but if you want to make the restriction only one object can be created, so how we can implement those features? So it's very simple. So let's say I will create a private variable, let's say ins, so this is instance, and I will assign it to none. So there is a magic method, and which is very useful when we will create the singleton. So let's say def. There are several ways, but here I'm using new magic method, and I can use this new, and you can see here I will pass args and quarks. This new method will be accept any number of argument now. So let's say how we can create it. So you have to create the condition if not. So here what I will do, I will not pass, I will not relate it to the object. So I will not use self here, I will use CLS. So CLS is the reference which will add to the class. So if you are having any doubt regarding CLS or self, you can watch my first series, there I have discussed in detail. So here I'm using CLS, means then I can create CLS dot instance. So ins, just I'm creating a condition. So if not created, then I have to create. So CLS dot underscore ins equals super, and you know the significance of super, and here I will pass my class, and then here CLS. So I'm calling the same method again using this class. So what I'm doing here, just I'm creating an object underscore new underscore, and with the same functionality. So I will copy this part and I will pass here. So after that I need to return it. So just I will return here CLS dot underscore ins. So what I'm doing here, I'm checking the condition. If instance got created, then return the same, otherwise you have to create new. Just simple. Now if I will run this program, you can see here you are seeing 6480 or 7344. So both IDs are different, but now if I will print again, so you can see here I'm printing, and just run this program and you see the output. So both IDs are same now. What is the significance of using these both IDs are same? Means if you are creating any number of object, so it will be same. So it will create only one object. So obj3, so let's say I'm creating a third object, and you can see if I will print the ID of my third object, so obj3, and you can see this will be also same. So you can only create one object of this class now. So this is called singleton. So in next video we will discuss about regular expressions, and which are very useful for web applications. Thanks for watching.